shoot. Alarm's going off again. I'm shut. Oh, I can't see. My phone does not light up. It's not. Can't see. I don't like. Somebody's the light didn't come on my phone this time. The alarm again. Hasn't gone off in a week, but now it's doing it again. I wonder if it's a car alarm, maybe. Trying to investigate it. Well, it's coming from back there. What the heck? I haven't heard it going off in 2 weeks, folks, but it's going off again. I was just in the house enjoying a root beer throw, and I heard that alarm, and I muted the TV, and I rushed out here. Is that? It is a security alarm. I know it is. Whoa, what was that? The heck? I just saw something over there. Like something moving. Or maybe it's a motion sensor. I don't know. I wish I could talk to somebody over there, see what that is. Huh. Pretty interesting though. Like the third time I heard it going off. I don't know whatever, I guess. The reason the light hasn't come on my phone when I hit record like it did before.